Hi and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you two pairs of Michael Kors shoes, and I'm gonna unbox them for you. Well, I've sneak peeked at them, but I haven't used them and they are still in the boxes. So, I can tell you what I'm wearing. Today I'm wearing my own necklace line. This is a chunky chain with gold and silver, and I have two thinner in matte silver and in gold. I'm wearing Leo kind of thing on the top from Vero Moda. It's a Danish company. That's it. Oh, I have my, let's see here, claw bracelet and one other bracelet from my own new collection. Well, let's get started. First pairs of Michael Kors shoes is in this box, and it's open like this, and here they are. It's a lovely flip-flop. It's in brown monogram with a gold here and a gold Michael Kors logo. These are in size 41. I don't really get Michael Kors shoe sizes because normally I'm a 40, size 40. I can tell you below what's this US size, but this one I have in size 41, and normally Michael Kors shoes are really big, so I don't get it. This is, and here is the other pair, and this will be lovely to have in Greece when I go in 2 weeks. That's it, and the other pair comes in this box, and it's open like so, and look, it's the Michael Kors ballerina in beige or nude with a gold hardware. It says Michael Kors, and this shoe I ordered first a size 40 and it was too big, then I ordered size 39 and it was too big, so these are 38.5, and I'm normally a size 40. It says 8.5 on the box, you can see here. And this fits perfectly. I think these will be really cute with my monogram bags. I can take, well, just a minute. Here you see, I think it looks really cute with the vachetta leather and these. So that's my unboxing, and if you order some Michael Kors shoes, remember to downsize at least one size, because they are really large, except for the flip-flops. They worked in a size 41. So that's all for me today. Hope you have a lovely day. It's still vacation here. It's Easter. Yeah. We have some holiday anyway, so if you have that, enjoy it. And here we have really lovely weather with 18 degrees and sunny, so now I will go outside and play with my kids. So bye for now.